Hey guys, it's Sunny. So as you probably already know if you're like a frequent watcher of my videos, I really like going to Starbucks a lot, and I usually always get the caramel frappuccino because, you know, it's freaking amazing and caramel is the best thing ever. But I've also come up with like my own little recipe of how to make it, so I thought I would share that in this video because usually when I make them I've had people ask me how I do it, and I also asked on Instagram if like people thought that was a good idea, and majority said yes. I think like 80% or something said yes. So yeah, if this video goes well, I also want to try and like attempt to make other Starbucks drinks as well. Yeah, I'm gonna get right into doing that, so I'm gonna switch up the camera perspective. That's the word I was looking for. Okay, so here we are at my lovely setup here. So basically what you're going to need is a caramel bar. You can use either like Galaxy or Dairy Milk caramel or whatever else caramel chocolate bar you have. I'm just using these at the moment. Oops, I dropped it. I have these left over from the tub of chocolates that we had at Christmas time. You can also, I guess you could use like caramel spread as well if you really want to. I've never tried it, but I think it would work most likely. You're going to want caramel sauce, but I don't have caramel sauce and I couldn't find caramel sauce anywhere, so I'm just using golden syrup. And you're also going to need squirty cream. And you're going to need some coffee. I use Nescafe Espresso. And you're going to need some milk, and you're also going to need some ice cream. You can use ice, but for me, I think it's a lot better if you use ice cream. But you also need a blender as well, so I have this one here. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're just going to put your caramel bar or whatever you have in here. I swear I had 5 of these, but I think I ate one and forgot about it. Dropped a bit of wrapper in there. Oh no. Okay, it's fine. Okay, second, you want to put your ice cream in. And I usually use like 3 scoops of ice cream. It's kind of perfect for me. Oh, I didn't get a full scoop. Oh, never mind. Okay, seems like it'd be enough. This is new, I think. Oh, it smells so good. It literally smells like you just walked into Starbucks. It's amazing. Okay. I'm just gonna get my coffee glass here and put the milk in. I usually use soy milk, but just because I prefer it to regular milk, but I don't have any right now, so I'm just using regular milk. So what I'm gonna do, I've actually never done what I'm about to do before, but I think it'd be a good idea for decorative purposes. So I'm just gonna get some golden syrup. I'm gonna like try and put it like down the sides of the glass. Does that look professional? Totally, right? I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, now we can blend this. Okay, all blended up. Take this off. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god. Everything's all sticky. Okay. Put the straw in. And this is the finished thing. Hold on, let me flip the camera around and show you properly. Okay, this is what it looks like. Boom. It's like There's cream coming off the sides. Should we drink some now? It's so good.